Hi everybody, Joel JARC02. This is another What's in the Box. This is What's in the Box 34. However, this is going to be slightly different. I emptied out the box and I'll be putting the stuff back in and showing you what was in the box. This is a reproduction poster or a made up poster. I don't know which one. It's not original. I just thought it was kind of cool. I like the colors. I like the design. At some time, I'd like to get it framed and, have a die-caster collector room at some point. Just right now, my house is really small and I don't have room for it. I didn't want to make the whole house Hot Wheels. In any case, this is poster with Don Perdone, McEwen, Sweet Savage, and Dan Gurney. They either produced their cars, I guess, because this one right here, I can't remember the names of the cars for the life of me. They produced something like that in '68. So, in any case, let me get this back in. Let me try this. Let's see here. Maybe that will be a lot better. This right here is an original sticker fun book by Whitman. The copyright on here is 1969, down here at the bottom. Plus, if you notice, this says cheetah, and that's the python. Hot Wheels wasn't allowed to use that name, so they changed it to python. So this is really old. But this has never been used. I want to pause and take a look at that. Here's 15 of the 16 cars. It's got trading cards to cut out. That must be these on the back. And this is coloring sticker fun book. Never been used. I don't know how much I paid for this, but I thought it was cool. I enjoy having it. Here is some stick-arounds and racing stickers. You can still get these on eBay. These are probably fairly common if you're looking for something that's still factory sealed, unpunched or partially unpunched. The back hole fell out on this side. These are stickers. I wish somebody could tell me what this is from. Is this part of an advertisement? Is this part of something that was in a store? And also, if you take a look on here, again, that says cheetah for the python. So I don't know if this was made up or whatever the deal was. So if somebody knows if this is like whatever. So I kind of thought that was cool. I don't know what it's necessarily from. Same thing with this. Could someone please tell me what this is from? Snake and Mongoose, their picture. I'm fortunate enough that the person I got this from put this in some type of heavy plastic to keep it really nice. It's kind of a really thin paper, but it's almost like brand new because they kept it in here. I don't know, is this something that came with a Snake and Mongoose set? And if so, what set did it come from? Because the ones that I see online or other people have, I don't see this included with it. I might have seen it once, but someone could tell me, did that come with a set? Here is a Hot Wheels poster. Hot 100, and it had the realistics, the fatbacks, the ooze, whatever, the tuned, and the cruise and the blings. So I don't know if this came with a card that I got or if I ordered this online, so I can't remember. This I got from the Garden State Farm toy store. It was free. I don't remember being there, so I don't know, maybe someone got this for me. But this is actually a Matchbox poster, and this is from 1999. Oh, darn it, darn it, darn it. Keep slipping. And back then they had a lot of more realistic looking cars, if not licensed cars, than some of the fantasy models or Matchbox originals they were putting out. But it appears in this poster that they had just a lot more. At the very least, regular looking, you know, car models, not the fantasy stuff. And this is Garden State Farm Toy Store in Elmer, New Jersey, on Route 40. I do not know if that's still there or not. 1970 issue of Hot Rod magazine with Tom McEwen's Hot Rod funny car. Sorry, of course it's a Hot Rod. Hot Wheels funny car, the red one on the front cover. Here's the back cover for those people who like Coca-Cola collecting. I don't know if I can find the here we go. So that appears it. This was just a 2004 edition of the Hot Wheels newsletter, so these are some advertisements. I don't know if these were sent to McDonald's management or if these were found in some type of magazine or book. This is from a Happy Meal. They had these Hot Wheels streaks. Up here it says Matchbox. I'm sorry, not Matchbox. It's got the McDonald's symbol. It says poster. Oh, you know what? I didn't realize this, but there's two of them in here. This must be a fun book or something for the kids. I think that's what it is. Isn't that cute? A boy and his mother. Just kidding. I put that back in after the fact. Here is the advertisement for the Hot Wheels display from McDonald's that I showed in a previous video. I'll leave a link to it down below. So that was in one of those Fun Times mini magazines or fun books for kids. I guess they got these at in Happy Meals or something, or I don't know what McDonald's did. But this is how this was actually transported to the stores. Now this goes up, if you go to McDonald's and you take a look at their menu board, this would be up, you know, with the advertising, okay, for their Happy Meal. And they'd have the, you know, the light shining like, you know, right through it. You can see my hand in there, okay, so it's kind of transparent, so it would kind of highlight that. Maybe the back side. But here's the cars that I showed and the Barbies that were included, okay, in that promotional piece. Okay. This is a maybe toy from 1978. Metal and metal. A live 55. Basically it's the 55 Nomad, but no opening features. And if you want to see the base. This is a skyhook, skyline and hook pack for the Hotbirds, not to be confused with the Pontiac Hotbird Hot Wheel. I'll leave a link for the Hotbirds that I showed in a prior What's in the Box video. This is just an accessory pack from 1970. Alright, got a little soft corner down here. Marked $1.10. I don't know what the original price was. There must have been a price sticker up here. It looks like somebody took it off. So, new old stock, or somebody bought it and never used it, never opened it up. Don't know what the deal was with that, but got that. From 1992. 1993. Aquafresh toothpaste for kids with the open wheel car. I don't know if that's Hot Wheels 500, but you know, it's the Indy 500 F1 style open wheel car with Aquafresh. There were several different models that came with this. I don't know how many years Aquafresh put them out. I don't know if it was like 1 or 2 years or over the course of a year or whatever it was. I know there were several different cars, but this is the one I picked up. Box got a little bit damaged. I had a roof leak in my home, in my garage, and some of this stuff did get water damage. Especially, I got 3 of these. These I bought at Bradley's from 1995. These Christmas holiday ornament and cars. The plastic part here is an ornament. You can hang that from the tree. Okay. I only bought the ones that I liked. This one's kind of cool because Santa's driving. This one got damaged. You can kind of see how wavy it is back here. This got damaged because of the roof leak in my house. Well, in the garage. Okay, my garage is attached to the house, so. Alright, so that. Love this stuff. This is all unopened original Redline accessories. So we have the single lane rod runner. Original artwork by Otto Cooney. I think the top car right there is the Ford Vicky, and here we have the 55 Nomad, and I just showed you the maybe toy, a live 55, but I think at this time it was the 55 Nomad or custom Nomad. Okay. So the artwork is by Otto Cooney. This is somebody resealed this right here, so I don't know. But look how old that tape is, so I don't know if it was factory sealed like that, or someone in the store did it, but not by me. And somebody put some writing right there. I don't know what that is. This is copyright 1969. You can see that. Here we have a Hot Wheels board game, and this is from 1982, I believe. It's a little bit ripped right here. Copyright is 1982, and it does come with the Flat Out Olds 442, or Flat Out 442, I think it's called. That's in there, but I think I have a loose example of it. Here's like a picture of the game being used. Maybe you can see that one better. Here's the back. And you can tell it's kind of modern because it has a barcode. So we have that. There's another factory sealed item, and this is the flight deck for the Hot Birds. This is copyright 1970. I'll leave a link to the Hot Birds that I have in my collection down below. They were in another What's in the Box video. So still factory sealed. These are real pictures, so none of the Hot Birds were advertised by N.O.S that I could tell. Here is a factory sealed race half curve. And here's a child using the half curve, how he has it set up with two single lane superchargers. One's actually sitting on top of the other one in this picture. Okay. And if you want to pause and read that. Copyright on this one. I know it's here someplace. I think it's on the front. Yeah. 1967. It's right there. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. Copyright 1967. But I love this artwork. I love that artwork. Okay, there's something about his artwork. I just find it to relaxing to look at. I don't know why. Unfortunately, I damaged it right here. Okay, it punched a hole in there in storage. Something was underneath it and it punched a hole. But I only had myself to blame for that. This one is probably one of my favorites in the collection because this is probably one of the best kept boxes that I have. It looks like it just came out of a fresh master case, the Bridge 3-pack. If you've ever seen these bridges, they come folded up and you know kind of click them together and they form a three-dimensional item that you could put your cars over and under, like in this pictogram is doing. And it's got the Beach Bomb. It's got the Lincoln, and what's that one on top? That one is the Mercedes. Okay, so this one is copyright 1969. It's right down there. If you can see it, I don't know if that's gonna. But I really, again, this is by Otto Cooney. I really love this. Okay, artwork. Just something about it I love. Here's a Danger Changer 2-pack, still factory sealed. This actually has a price sticker on here from Bargain Town. This is not a store I'm familiar with. Maybe somebody could tell me. 90 cents. Bargain Town put it down to 90 cents. I don't know what these were going for back in the day. This is copyright 1970. There's a copyright down here in the small print. And that helps you. And I accidentally put a hole in here in storage. So, but here we got the hood right there, and I think that's short order. It's based off a Ford truck. This still works. This is a Redline watch. You see the second hand moving. It was moving. Yeah, it's moving. So the watch still works. Still ticking. It's not a Timex, but it's still ticking. I don't know if the band is original or not. Here we have a Hot Wheels Elite 1/50th scale Mystery Machine. You can see Shaggy driving. I don't know if Scooby's in there or not. It's hard to tell. Maybe if I take a look at the video, I'll be able to see. But it's only got this plastic window right here, so you can see the top and the side. There's nothing over here. This is copyright 2013. So it's back here, copyright 2013. Somewhere on there, if it'll focus. Take my word for it, if it doesn't focus, 2013. I mean, how can you not like this? And it's even got, you know, the wheels are even unique. They gave them the flower type wheels. There's not even lug nuts on there. And lastly, this is a Redline Club exclusive item, and this is the Sky Show Fleetside with one of the planes, reproduction planes. So this is from the Hot Wheels Collectors Club, and this is number 734 out of 3,000. And I think I got this at a good price. That's why I bought it. But I do have the original set and original Sky Show Fleetside with ramp and planes, and I'll leave a link to that down below if you want to see that. Okay, but this was never opened either, so maybe someday I'll open this up, but not today. That's it for What's in the Box 34. Questions, comments, please leave them below in the comment section. I look forward to hearing what you have to say. If you want to subscribe, upper left column, not upper left column, upper left corner. I'm losing it today. It's Sunday. And I'd be happy to hear what you all have to say. And I hope you all have a good week. Bye.